Your Tomahawk plate compactor is essential for building a brick patio as it ensures a firm and stable base by compacting the soil and base materials, preventing future settling and ensuring the longevity of the patio. Watch this quick assembly guide to get you started today. This is what you will need: your Tomahawk TPC80 plate compactor, a 5mm Allen wrench, and the Tomahawk Paver Pad kit. First, place the Paver Pad underneath the plate compactor. To easily access the connection points, you can position the compactor on the back of your truck or use a 2x4. Next, using an Allen wrench, remove the screws on the front and back of the plate and then fasten the pad in place with the 4 kit screws. And with that, your Tomahawk plate compactor is ready to rock and roll. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to reach out. You can count on Tomahawk to help you reduce your job site downtime and make sure your next project goes off without a hitch. And as always, for more tips and tricks on how to get the most out of your equipment, click subscribe today.